Oh.
Hello, Alison.
No.
Hello, Arif. How you doing, young man?
Hello.
Cool. Look, Alison's just done a dive off. See you later, Alison. Cool beans. Right, we've got a bit of a messy one today, but it is Friday. And Arif's only had one cup of tea today.
Yeah.
And that's not his cup. His normal cup's about 10 times bigger than that. Anyway, Nigel's popped in today because he's got something exciting to tell us about later on, but not today, about something he's going to be kicking off in a couple of weeks' time. But meanwhile, he's brought us in a couple of his new resin prints. He's almost running out. I think he's really scraping the bottom of that litre bottle by now, but cool. Nigel, do you want to pick them up and let's have a look at them? Right, so superb. So, whereabouts, where did this model come from? I think Arif.
This was one of
my
ours.
mini factory. Yeah,
My mini factory, right, cool, superb. That's beautiful wolf, isn't it?
Yeah, only using the base supports, so there's no...
it's hollow.
Yeah.
It's hollow.
Yeah, they did, you know, Nigel was quite funny and said, he said to me when he first came in this morning, look at this. He said, guess how we made this hollow? Yeah, let's have a look, Nigel. Look at that. So, nice hollow print, a good way for the actual resin to, like a natural way for the resin to run off. But that's cool, that's really some nice detail on that. That is smashing. It's no wonder people are getting excited about resin printing, you know, as we are. And as Joseph Pusser is his new machine. And look at this. Michael, another one for you. So this was done with your grey resin. Yeah? Look.
No, this was the pearl blue again.
Ah,
just
okay.
grey primer.
Oh my goodness, and then blue on top. Beautiful.
So work in progress.
Wow. Oh, what, really? You're going to shade it and tint it and all that type of thing with your painting?
Yes.
Wow. Can you give it a bit slow 12? Really slow 12. Oops. That's stunning. That is cool beans.
It's a gorgeous model.
Yeah, great one to end the week with. Excellent.
And then I've got a couple which I've finished painting.
Right, cool.
So everyone should be able to recognise this person.
Ah, it's Arif. Oh, sorry, no, it's Hat. Cool beans.
Yeah.
That's a cool one, yeah, that's good. Is that resin as well?
Yeah.
Right. What, are you just finishing the, it's all finished?
Yeah, this one's all finished.
You're slightly stripy. Is there a reason for that? Or is it me just looking at it through my glasses?
No, it is slightly stripy. I need to
Okay.
understand from the resin printer why that is.
Right, that's interesting then. Cool. And much supports. Was this the one that you reduced the supports on and it came out perfect?
Yeah, so the supports were supposed to be all on the base, and I took them all off.
Right.
So they were just from the platform in the end.
Cool. So
Printed
very,
a
very
slight
little
angle.
waste in terms on its side, well, on a slant.
Yeah, it's about that angle.
Cool. And sorry, where does that model come from?
That was from Thingiverse, I believe.
Thingiverse. And the dragon one. Sorry, I didn't ask about that one.
That was from Arif again. So where did you get that one from, Arif?
My mini factory.
My mini factory. Cool. So superb. So we were speaking when we went to the TCT show on Wednesday that Arif's invested in some paints as well, isn't he? How many pots of paints have you got now, Arif?
300 plus.
300 plus pots of paint.
And only 2 weeks worth of experience.
My goodness. So in terms of additional painting, this was one that we saw earlier on that you've now added to, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's now added the char marks from the exhaust fans and everything.
Ah, right. Yep. Yeah, got it. Enjoying the painting thing now. Look, Michael, look what you've done. They're
Yeah, Michael's got a lot to answer for.
busy painting their lives away now. So, is that where we are?
Yeah, so that's everything for the moment.
Okay, Nigel. Gonna have a bit of a zoom in, zoom out, whatever.
Oh, no,
look at that.
you don't wanna-
A
you
new
don't wanna zoom
t-shirt on
in.
today.
Yeah.
Millennium Falcon.
To match the print.
Superb. Right, cool beans. Nigel, we're going to say goodbye.
Okay, thank
Have
you
a
very
great
much.
weekend, everyone. Thanks for joining us again for another week, interesting week in 3D printing. And we have to say, it's good night from me. Oh, look,
Good night for us.
courier's arrived. Time to get your parcels out. Right, superb. Take it easy, boys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a
Thanks,
nice
Alison.
weekend.
Thank you, Alan.